Good morning, class 6. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 6, that is changes around us. In the last video lecture, we had discussed about the different types of changes. That is reversible change, irreversible change, slow change, fast change, physical change, chemical change, exothermic change, and endothermic change. There are some other changes are also we found in nature, that is natural change and man-made change. The changes which are done by man, these are called man-made change, like cutting off trees and several type of other changes. The changes which are caused by nature is called natural changes. There are some other changes also, like periodic changes and non-periodic change. The changes which take place after a fixed interval of time is called periodic change, like the motion of moon, sun, stars, or the motion of earth is called the periodic change. Sorry class, not the motion of sun and stars, but the motion of moon and the motion of our planet earth is called the periodic change. Then seasonal changes are also there. The non-periodic changes are also there, where time period is not fixed, like lightning and thunder. You never see that they are happening again and again after a fixed interval of time. Then comes some desirable change and undesirable change. Desirable change means the change we want to happen or which is beneficial for us, and undesirable change are the changes which we don't want to happen or they are not beneficial to us. Like ripening of fruit is a desirable change, but rotting of vegetables is a undesirable change. So these are the several type of changes we had discussed last day, and some of them I discussed today also. Now today we are going to discuss one most or very important topic, that is physical change. We discussed this physical change in detail. Last day also we had discussed about physical change, that physical change may be reversible change or maybe sometime irreversible change. So first of all, let's discuss what is physical change. So a change in which no new substance will be formed. The change in which no new substance will formed and there is no molecular change take place inside the thing or the object where change is happening. There is no new substance formed, no molecular changes in the substance. Maybe the change of shape, maybe the change of size will happen, but no internal change will occur in the physical change. The physical change may be reversible or may be irreversible. So reversible change, the change which can be reversed by reversing the condition or by changing the condition, and irreversible change, the change which cannot be reversed by reversing the condition or changing the condition, is called irreversible change. So first we discussed so many things in the case of reversible and irreversible change, like making a plane from paper and again open it back and we get the paper, so it is a reversible change. But if we cut the paper, then it is a irreversible change. So this way reversible change and irreversible change happening every day in our life. Here in our book there is some examples are given, that whenever we try to change the shape of a metal, we heat it. So due to heating it will expand. Due to heating it will expand, but there will no change will occur. Only the metals will expand a little, and then we are able to fit the handle into the different types of tools. Or if we want to put a rim on a circular piece of wood, then we make a small size of rim in compare with the wood, then we heat it and then we put the rim onto the wood, because by heating the metals expand. Like if you see the tangas in the villages you will see the wheels are made up of wood, and a metal iron rod is rim is around the that wooden wheel. So how this metal rim was put in on the putted how the rim was set with the wood. So first of all we hit the rim, and then it will expand, and then we put the ring on the wheel. So this is the way we do this. So it is a physical change, because there is no change in the molecular structure will happen, or there is no new substance is formed. So this is a physical change. So there are several type of physical change in our environment or in our everyday life will happen, like melting of ice. Take out the ice from the fridge and put it onto the table in normal temperature, you will see that ice will melt. Again ice will melt into water. Again take the water and keep it inside the fridge, then you will see that the ice is again converted back into the ice. The water is again back into the ice. So this is also a physical change, because changing the condition the change will happen, but no new substance will form, or you can say that no change in the molecular there is a no new substance will formed. Then comes the then take an example of a change, that is, suppose there is a glass, there is a bowl made up of a glass, or there is any object which is made up of glass, and suppose you by accident it will fall from your hand and the glasses will broke down. So new pieces of glass will formed. So this change is a physical change or a chemical change, means in this change does any new substance formed? The answer is no. No new substance is formed. The glass was in the previous, and now also the glass, only the shape will change. Yes, it is a irreversible change, but it is a physical change also, because no new substance will be formed. So in this way there are several type of changes happening around us every day, and we have to understand that if there is no new substance will form, means this type of change is a physical change. So class, I hope you are able to understand what a physical change is. If any problem, ask me class, I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.